Want to move videos from your PC to your iPhone? iTunes is a great way to do it. Stick around to learn how to transfer videos from PC to iPhone with iTunes. Mac users can also easily transfer files to their Apple devices. Part 1. Transfer videos from PC to iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the PC and open iTunes. Click the device icon in the top left. Then go to Movies under Settings in the sidebar. Check Sync Movies and select the videos to transfer. Click Apply to sync them to your iPhone. Part 2. Import videos from PC to iPhone without iTunes. Method 1. Transfer videos from PC to iPhone with iOS Transfer. First, let's introduce a super easy to use tool called iOS Transfer, which is perfect for easily transferring media between PC and iPhone. How to transfer videos from PC to iPhone without iTunes using iOS Transfer. Step 1. Open iOS Transfer program on your computer and connect your iPhone via USB data cable. Once connected, the software will detect your iPhone and display its library in the left sidebar. Step 2. Click Videos, then Plus to add files or a folder. Step 3. Select Videos and click Open to transfer. Method 2. Copy videos from PC to iPhone using iCloud. Install iCloud for Windows and sign in. On your iPhone, enable iCloud Photos. In iCloud on your PC, turn on Photos, check Upload new photos and videos, and select the video folder. Method 3. Transfer videos from PC to iPhone via Dropbox. Install Dropbox on both devices and sign in. On your PC, go to File My Files, Upload Files, and select the video. Open Dropbox on your iPhone to access and view the video.